Now I'm going to teach you how to make a cobblestone generator stone generator farm very fast. And then here's the material. It's pretty easy. And then one 8 glasses, one redstone dust, one obsidian, one lever, one redstone torch, one redstone repeater, piston, one lava bucket, 64 blocks, any kind of blocks, but not um burning blocks like wood, wool. So I recommend stone or cobblestone any type. And now you're going to do this. Start making with 4 by 3 area. And then you're going to put a piston here in the right side and then cover it up. Cover it up like this. And then for me going to place glass in there so you can see what's inside. So like this. I no. Okay. Now you're going to put this. Now put water in it in the piston. Don't put it here because it's not going to work. It is going to be obsidian. So cover it up so the water should flow right in the side. Cover this up and then you're going to place lava in here in the top. As you can see, it should make a stone. And now for the redstone part is you need to do up this, 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 and then break this. Okay, don't tap this. Okay. So I mean, okay, I'm wrong, and then you're going to have this, and this. First is going to put one lever here, one redstone torch in here. It should make look like this. One redstone repeater facing that way. It should light it up, and then final touch, a redstone dust. So it should push all of the stone here. So what you need to do is add an obsidian so it's not going to push all of the way in here. So we're going to have an obsidian right here, and your cobblestone farm is done. It should make look like this. So now let's go to survival mode. Let's see if it is going to have it is going to be effective or not. Let's make a red pickaxe, then have survival mode. Now let's turn it on. As you can see, we can make a cobblestone generator farm much faster. And if you have silk touch, it can be called as stone farm. So in the collection system, I'm going to teach you the collection system. It's pretty easy. What you're going to have is copper and just a chest. That's it. It's copper in the chest only. It's pretty easy. So what you're going to have is dig 2 blocks here and then 1 block here. You need to cover this up too and place 2 double chests here and then just put a hopper like this in the chest and one like this and it should be done. So let me test it again. Let's go to the survival mode. Let's flick the lever and start mining. It doesn't matter if you mine in that direction, it's still going to work. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, fine. Okay, it's just over and off. Okay. I thought it's broken or something. Okay. And thus you can see the stone or cobblestone that you're mining is going to push all the way in the upper, and then the upper is going to push it through the chest. And right now, let's see if we are collecting it. So as you can see, in just a few seconds, we make 26 cobblestone and or a stone. Just easy. It is pretty easy if you have beacon. Yeah, I am testing it here. Here, it's working this way. So I have other video of that because it's almost different. It's a little bit design that include more redstone, but this is pretty good for the starting player. So as you can see, I'm mining here. That's pretty much it. Bye all guys.